Hi everyone, welcome back to Dragonfly Engineering. So this week we're back on the garage expansion and renovation project. And in particular, we are going to cover pouring the main garage floor. So in past episodes, which I haven't really shown so much of the progress of the garage build, we added on a addition to the garage and poured this garage floor as well as this footer for replacement of this wall. And then I had to do that because the rest of this garage structure, which was grandfathered, couldn't be torn down. So we had to keep the old original garage floor in this area to hold the roof up. And now, recently, basically the rest of the addition has been completed other than just final electrical and things like that. But it was time to actually do the rebar and then pour this garage floor. So in this episode, we're going to show the concrete party that we just had, where we hired a pump truck and a concrete guy to pump it in. And then a group of local friends basically did the finished work on this concrete floor. So hope you enjoyed this experience in pouring a concrete floor at Dragonfly Engineering. All right, it's concrete pouring day. So we got our foundation ready. We got the old rebar that we sank into the footer on the first pour that happened a couple of years ago now. Things have been slow. And yeah, my friend Bill and I finished up our formwork for the concrete floor. It's going to be 5.5 yards of concrete. I bought that aluminum square tubing for our screed to basically flatten the concrete out. And we've got the old original foundation of the garage all cracked and busted up. We couldn't pull this foundation out because it's on the property line and it's grandfathered in. So everything else pretty much in this garage has been replaced except for this foundation wall and the roof of the garage. You can see some of the old recycled 1850s wood that was burned out from some house back in 1850 that the original owner used to build this garage. But today is going to be all about pouring concrete. So we are underpinning this foundation. As you can see, it's all cracked with like a 1 foot deep by 1 foot wide footer with a lot of rebar that's epoxy or drilled and epoxied in. This is a view outside showing our setup. Still got lots of crap around. And Bill is going to figure out hopefully how our float goes together. Oh, really? That's all they had. We got the pump truck, and then a concrete truck is going to be coming pretty soon. So this guy's going to pump the concrete from the street into the garage. Because concrete trucks usually don't want to drive over the sidewalk or the curb of the city, so that they don't have to replace it when they crack it. So there'll be a lot of probably sped up film and a lot of impromptu cell phone shots today in our concrete pour.
Not me.
All right, so we're gonna sweep out our footing. We have a little footing in the front and a 1 foot by 1 foot footing on the side. And I like to sweep it out so that there's no loose debris in the footer that can compromise the relaxation of the slab over time. So a lot of the building inspectors want to see undisturbed dirt and no debris in the bottom of your footing. So we're gonna sweep it out with this shop vac, all of the loose gravel and dirt and sand. We're gonna do that on this footing side and the front. And it has sunk down in the back by about 3 inches or so, just over the last 100 years. We can't pull this foundation out because it's grandfathered in, because it's basically on the property line of the building, and you could do that 100 years ago, but not today. So what happened is we basically just hammer drilled and epoxied in a whole bunch of rebar, and we're underpinning the foundation a little bit, and we're going to pour just the kind of a new side pinned, as they call it, foundation to reinforce the existing one since it can't be pulled out. Yeah, and then we'll suck all the debris out of this bottom, and we'll be ready to pour. The concrete guy is out there setting up his pump truck, and this huge pipe here is what he's going to pump the concrete into the foundation of the garage. So let's do that. Get my boots on.
One of these rakes.
Yeah.
And
Bill's probably the best tutorial person. and right?
I only got an inch here.
Okay. I got about an inch here too.
Okay, so see that hole? That's what the rig's got to fit that hole.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Ready, Bill?
Yeah. Okay. Yep, ready? Okay, so see how now we're pushing a lot?
Yeah.
So now get the rake and pull some away.
That's even like this. We gotta pull the leading end back.
There you go.
Sorry, what?
Okay, lean in.
Can't hear. You guys gotta talk up.
Okay.
Can't hear what you're saying.
Pull the leading edge back as we go.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hey,
Can't hear.
like this. I'll show you.
Yeah.
Not to
I
me.
usually vibrate a little bit.
Not to me.
Ow.
You need me to get that vibrating thing?
My trowel. There's a trowel out there.
It's,
Okay, you guys are crooked, by the way.
He just wants to do. Thank you.
Okay, how's that?
Yeah. So there's a wood float. See how that's on the can?
She has a cup of wood float. Can you get that to Bill?
Yeah, no, give that to Dave.
Oh, to me.
Yeah. Right, use a wood float here.
Oh, okay.
It won't stick as much.
No, all right.
I'll get the, I think there's a second
Okay.
wood one, I'll get it.
So let's go back about a foot, Dave.
Okay. Lifting up.
Yeah, I gotta go a little more. You good?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, back about a foot.
I gotta lift up, or all this trowel.
Don't do that because
Huh?
when you do this,
Yeah?
the concrete goes in the bottom and go
Oh.
up.
Oh, okay.
So just pull it out straight.
Okay.
Yeah, like that.
Good.
It's not square.
We may have to cut
Square.
a couple inches off this thing.
Okay.
That's all.
We're close. We can rock side to side.
Yeah, I can cut that off quick.
Let's see how far we can get.
Okay.
So I'll pull.
Oh, you're good. You're gonna come off your metal now.
That's okay. Okay, and you can pull.
Oh, okay.
Ready? I'm pulling.
Yep, I'm in great position.
I got a electrical conduit now.
Yeah, so do we have to do the same thing then? You go up and over the electrical conduit and I go back?
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah, I think we're a little lumpy back there while we were getting our groove on.
Okay.
The problem is concrete don't wait.
Yeah, I know.
You're already probably thinking, damn, I should be out of here.
What?
Oh, a real crew would be like bull floating by this.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Well, we're good. Here, hold it. I gotta get some. I'm gonna clean my screen.
There's all sorts of instructions in there with the garage.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Wall.
Not
Yeah. Oh, I gotta get a lot. Just ring it loud or something.
Yeah, move over. Yeah, ready? Oh, I should probably go forward.
Okay. Ready?
Yep. All right, I'm at the garage door.
Yeah. So can you angle yours forward and I'll see if I can swing mine?
Forward, like that way?
You go that way, yeah.
Okay, let me get some of this.
Get some material out of it. Get as close as you can. Okay, so now,
You got a shovel? If you need, I put it right there. If you need a little bit more,
yeah, we can backfill from there.
because if you put it over here, when you want to try to take that wood out, you can't.
Yeah, okay.
I think it's good.
Yeah, I think that's perfect. Okay, should we just get the screen down?
Yeah, I'm thinking. We're gonna go this.
Well, we gotta start doing. I think that.
Oh, the bull float. Okay.
I think that basically gets down on the wet. raise the front edge. Raise the front edge while you're pushing out. And then raise the back edge when you're pulling out.
Like snowboarding, basically. So I start here, push that way.
Yeah. Yeah, you can't carry that thing over that.
Oh, so basically stay floating the whole time.
Yeah, you keep it, you'll stay on it the whole time except when you lift up and go over. And you wanna overlap at least by a couple of inches.
Oh, okay. But it's probably, I should lift up and go over out here, not way out.
Yeah, no, you wanna do it, because that pole won't hold it.
Right.
So here, yeah, you can even have someone else help you.
All right. Take me down. Boy, that's so heavy. So you set this angle, Bill?
Well, no, I set the angle and then we lost it and reset it.
Oh, okay.
So we'll find out. You should be pretty low going down.
Like this?
Yeah, do we need to clean that edge up?
Probably, yeah.
Okay,
Ah, the tree.
but it is pretty straightforward.
I guess I can come off the edge.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a couple more passes. It'd be nice to see it a little flatter, but it takes a bit of pushing
This tree's a problem.
pushing that aggregate down. It just needs where? On
One
the
foot
side
in
there?
on the edge.
Where? Oh, this edge here?
That looks good. Ah. Oh.
That's fine. That'll screw out.
Oh, okay. Should I do one more pass?
Yeah. It's a little wrinkly.
It's only one.
Huh?
It's only one.
One what?
One class. A little bit overlap.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I was wrong on that.
He said just be one.
Yeah, okay. So one back and forth then. Okay.
Can you lift that?
Yeah.
What, 6 inches yet?
Yeah, let's do a little more than that.
Okay. All right, good.
Yeah, I guess it doesn't really change that much fast to fast. Well, it's starting to set. Yeah, we're pretty rippling back there.
The thing's gonna be a problem. Probably. All right, you wanna lift?
Yeah.
Bill's on the edgy. So I shouldn't really trowel anything at the moment, right?
Yeah, we didn't think through the front. We didn't think through the screen on the front of it very well.
Bill gets the best friend in the world award.
Oh, yeah. As soon as we get into the shed, just getting the aggregate out of the way.
Cool. Thanks. Wow, this looks great.
It'll work.
You may not tease.
long would water be near you at that point?
No, I think it's more dry. We're okay right now. Hopefully it won't get dry to the point we're gonna do that. It's not, it's too early to try it. Fixing some egress from these nasty parts. Did somebody put a pile of concrete there? Yeah, it's not ready to try yet.
Oh, okay.
It's way too wet. So. But
I can get the wood here. I probably have some concrete here for you,
that's probably enough right there. Is there no dirt in it?
I'm pretty sure I got it off the top here.
Okay, that looks pretty clean, yeah. Yeah, it should be clean.
Okay.
We're all one. Getting it?
Yeah. We got excess concrete.
What did the channel look like before?
Yeah, that's pretty much what you want to accomplish.
Broken and
It's
all, I don't remember.
Just getting the big chunks out and then aggregate down.
It was in a pretty bad
You'll be able to
shape.
bring
Okay.
some cream up with that and
The
get
thing
it
is, yeah,
to fill in nicely. So you don't have to worry about that.
I remember super well, but it also, remember when driving, I kind of got seams, there was a couple seams. I remember cleaning it out.
Culverman.
Something like that, yeah. So that's gonna allow, yeah, so cantilever nicely.
You recording that?
Yep.
Okay. Ready? So I'm just gonna, here, let me just do it. You just guide it.
Oh, okay.
That looks good. It's gonna be a problem to do it around the car.
Yeah.
So, little overlap as you think you can manage.
Let's back out.
But if you leave us Sunday, it's gonna be real easy to see
Leave a Sunday.
where you missed a gap.
Oh, yeah.
This one is going up against the wall. Ready?
Okay. Oh.
Don't worry about that little spalling. That'll just sweep up.
Yeah.
All the way to the end here.
Not really, but
Just go to the side again.
okay, pull. All right.
Okay. You good?
Yeah.
Good enough?
Got a nice broom finish. Yeah, there is a little bit of a weedy, but that's fine.
Where, you want to go back and hit it again?
Maybe. But you were saying that'll make it look different?
You have a choice between a slightly different texture or the weave.
What do you think? You see the weave right there?
I think the texture difference would be more noticeable.
Yeah. Okay, and that is a wrap for the garage pour. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Everything worked out pretty well. There was one slight puddle spot on the floor right there, right at the exit, but not a big deal. And I'm working on pulling out the form at the bottom of the wall here, and this is where the original foundation had sunk so low that the concrete level is actually overlapping sort of where the drywall is in the original wall height. You know, because the new construction, you know, needs to be 8 inches above outside grade, but in the old sunken corner of this original garage, it was only like maybe 5 inches above grade, so there's like a 3-inch difference in I wanted the drywall to terminate on the mud sill, so there's kind of a little groove there. Also, I molded in a gutter right here as well that would run water out to the front of the garage. This garage does have a 1/4 inch per foot slant or slope to it, so you can see how there's a wedge as we go out to allow for drainage of water in the garage floor out. So I need to finish the drywall, and then I will be ready for my electrical final inspection, followed by plumbing final inspection, and then ultimately building final inspection. And I'll be done with this first phase of the garage setup, and then I can bring the Volkswagen thing back in. Oh yeah, there it is. And it will live right here. Thanks for watching Dragonfly Engineering. See you guys next week.